Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Ford Edge SEL all-wheel drive with the 2.0L package. The exterior color is ruby red metallic, and under the hood we have a 2-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights as well as daytime running lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps and an engine block heater connection. Over at the side we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels, and we have color-matched door handles and mirror caps. At the rear we have privacy tinted windows, and up top we have a beautiful twin panel moonroof. This Ford Edge also comes with remote start. At the rear we have reverse sensors paired to a backup camera as well as our spare fifth wheel located underneath. At the rear window we have an embedded defroster with a wiper blade attached. At the interior we have loads of driver-friendly features including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors that are also heated. Over at the steering column we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with the information trackpad and cruise control settings to the left. Over at the right we have our entertainment and media trackpad and hands-free controls. Up above we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. We also have our beautiful twin panel moonroof. And as we look down at our interior, we have a beautiful black leather seating that comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 18,521 kilometers on this beautiful Ford Edge. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, climate control, phone connectivity, navigation, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver can also enjoy a heated steering wheel and view the display of the rear view camera. Down below we have sync controls, as well as we have a dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy heated seats. We have a console gear shift, as well as dual cup holders, and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage, as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. And our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Edge, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.